You're not cutting the fishnet part off?
Oh! What? What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani back with another video, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. And as the title reads, today I'm going to be installing that red wig that I showed y'all that I colored. Okay, so she's right here. I already have my hair slicked back and I got my wig cap on. And the products I'm going to be using today are ORS. But I'm using all three of these products. If you guys watch Arrogant Tay, he uses these products to lay down his wigs. So I'm going to make an attempt to use these products to see what it's all about. I'm not going to follow his technique or anything. I'm just going to go with what I usually do when I put on wigs. Usually I would use the Got To Be spray for this part when I'm putting on my wigs. So I'm going to use this part. I'm going to use this spray to lay the wig cap down. Okay, so now that I have the wig, well, the ball cap on, I'm gonna go ahead and use this wide grip. Well, I don't know why I say wide, but super hold wig grip gel. And I'm gonna do like 3 layers of these, of this, like how I would do regular hair glue. Alright, so I don't think I mentioned this in the previous video, but this is a 13 by 4 wig, and I do believe I kind of over plucked her. Not even kind of, I know I did, but we're gonna see if I can finesse it and make it look as good as possible. Like, this is kind of embarrassing, but it is over plucked here, but I think I can make it work. I think so. Let's keep going. Alright, y'all, so for my hair to stay down intact, I'm gonna go ahead and use this scarf. I do have the appropriate scarf, but I just don't feel like looking for it, so I'm just gonna use this to hold it down and let it sit on my head for like 5 to 10 minutes, just so that I can make sure my wig is in place and intact. In the meantime, I'm probably gonna cut her a little bit more.
You're not cutting the fishnet part off?
Oh! What? Yes!
What's that part called?
It's called lace,
That's what
child.
I'm about to say, the lace. But it looks like a fishnet for the guys. Girls that don't.
You just want to be funny.
No, I swear to God, I'm dead serious. It looks like a little fishnet.
I'm gonna attempt to style it the best that I can. I'm gonna put some curls in her, but she don't look bad. She don't look bad. She look decent, but definitely not the type of look I was going for. I know it's my fault because I messed it up for over plucking, but hey, it happens. Let's get into curling this hair. Alright, y'all, so this is the hair curled. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit so then I can take the curls out. As y'all seen, I did pluck too much on this side and a little bit here, but I still would wear this wig out. Like, it looks really cute though. So I do like this red on me. It's best that I wear the hair like to the side, covering the front, so that way you don't see where I fucked up. You know what I'm saying? But that's a way that you can finesse stuff and don't let the hair go to waste, you know. And I wasn't gonna let no color hair go to waste because I love me some color on me. This is my first time with red hair. Comment down below any other colors you want me to try. But I do love these two products, the olive oil, the ORS olive oil Fix It Super Hold Spray and the wig grip gel. Those products are really good. Well, these products are really good. Basically the only two products I used for this whole entire video. I feel like if I would have never messed up and done the wig properly, my results would have been better, but it does look good. So comment down below, what are your thoughts on this wig, this color, how I went about handling the situation when it was like, you know, jacked up, you know what I'm saying? But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Most of all, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And that's it for Vlogmas Day 8, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.